po si Paulo Diet, sable operator ng RCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 6 days na may total of 15 meters. Printer head clean. Nozzle check. Punas ng capping at wipe after head clean. Ink system ay tama lang. Weekly waste tank disposal every Wednesday. EVR naka 220 volts. Ink storage, ito yung used and yung unused. Dito naman po yung sable paper. Monitoring yung cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and yung sable roll. Sable daily output monitoring. Printer daily checklist.